Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. Today is harvest day. We're going to harvest string beans and a few other items. Let's see what we have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. This is round 2 of our beans. We have quite a few here, and instead of pulling these one at a time, I'm going to take my trusty blade that I got for Father's Day, and let's see if we can make quick work of these and save some time. Look at the size of these. These beans, the last ones, did I slice that? Oh, I think I sliced one. The last ones that I took were very tasty. Let's see how many we can get today. I'm going to just set this here temporarily and go back in for more. This is by far the easiest out of everything that I've grown this summer. I mean, you basically plant these pretty much anywhere, and just make sure you keep them watered. And that's pretty much about all you have to do. I probably should have taken these a week earlier, but they're still going to be tasty. Most people don't use a utensil to get them off, but for me, it's a little quicker, and you have to bend over here, so it's a little easier on the back. Look at the size of these boys here. So I'm going to finish harvesting these, and I'll catch up with you in a few minutes. Okay, we have completed the string bean harvest. It's about the same amount we got from out of the first round, so this is going to be part of Sunday dinner tomorrow. I have 4 more vines that I've planted, so this is 2 of 6, and I'll keep you guys updated. So right now we're going to move on to my special this summer, which is the Frugal Gardener does chop inspired vegetables. So I'll catch you guys next time, and look out for my special chop series. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and tell your friends. Have a great day.